gonna tear this place down!
What?
Where is it? I think this is the top floor!
Tombstone Extra, where the hell are you? It's backing up. Done. Get everyone in the chopper, now!
This intel better be fucking worth it! Move it!
Get in here now. The building's unstable. Come on! Stand by! I've lost control! Shit! I'm hit! I'm going down! I'm going...
Holy shit. You okay, man? Pack, any sign of Hawkins and the rest of the crew?
No one survived that.
Get Dunn away from the wreckage!
I can't. He's buried.
Try! I'm over here digging up Wrecker!
Oh, my leg. Oh, man. Oh, man.
Jesus Christ, his leg looks like pop sausage.
You're gonna be fine, Dunn. You're gonna be okay, man. We're gonna get you out.
Pack the fuel!
Yeah, I know.
Stop! Wrecker, cover me! Get out now! Get out!
Please, I'll help you.
No.
Please.
No, you have to get out of here. It's not safe. Fucking civilians.
Wrecker, I need your knife. Well, 4 Staff Sergeant. Gotta cut the leg. Gotta do what? Wrecker, come here! A wolf stuck in a trap will chew off its own leg to survive. Come on! The bone's powder, just flesh and uniform keeping me here. Do it! Cut it now!
We gotta go.
Is he dead?
He's not dead, he's just passed out. You're the combat lifesaver, man. You should know this, Pat.
It was like a 3-hour course. Incoming! Down!
Let's go! Chopper's coming back around, let's go!
Hey, these Azerbaijani's are all right, huh?